Yes, you should learn how to do Docstrings on your own. However, if you have the student or educator GitHub pack, guess what you have? Oh, I haven't signed into this yet. Just a second. Using it. So to use Copilot, which you have for free, I have it because I'm an educator. You would have it because you are a student if you got the student developer pack. There is a Copilot extension. Your AI, I don't know why there's two of them. Huh. Oh, you can chat and you can use it. There's two ways to use it. I put mine in at home so long ago, I don't remember. Anyway, you could install both of those. Oh, it installs both of those. Okay, that's why I don't remember doing two of them. However, you do have to sign in. And if you have an educator or student developer pack, you then get the full power of Copilot. And that's pretty good. Now, if I can just remember my username and password, I'd be in good shape, wouldn't I? I know it's learningw@wncc.edu, but I'm not sure of the password. Oh, man, I did it. Look at there. Ah. So I'm going to open this with Visual Studio Code, and then it should already signed in. Okay, I had to click sign in again, I think. Anyway, there's my chat. I can chat things because I have a very interesting view. If I do this, this is what it'll look like on your end. So you can chat to Copilot just like you would to ChatGPT. You do a slash first, then you say create a doc, whatever it is you want to do. So it works just like ChatGPT. There are also some right-click functions. Like, for instance, if I want to create a doc string for this, I select the function, Copilot. I can explain it, I can fix it, I can generate docs, I can add the selection to the chat. So it'll generate a doc string. Look at there. How about that? Is that a bit excessive of a doc string? Well, maybe. I don't really need that much. But it does give you, and it will change its formatting. I'm not sure why it's always consistent, but sometimes that can help. Sometimes copying and pasting your code into, like, Claude is the latest AI thing I've been using quite a bit. It'll help you comment your code. Well, as a matter of fact, what would happen if I copy this? I've got it selected, and then I do comment the selected code. Well, it's improved quite a bit. Oh, insert comments, because what it did is commented that, okay, insert comments into the selected code, because it commented it. It did just exactly what I told it to do, didn't it? There. And if you want to put that in, there. I've used that quite a bit when I'm not quite sure what the code is, and I've borrowed it from another tutorial or something, and I can't quite figure out what's going on. I've used this to figure out things. Should you use this for all your assignments? No. But it is a very convenient tool, which you do need to know how to use. We do also need to learn how to program manually too. All right, so there's my little bit on Copilot. I'm